Are you ready? Okay. What is that letter?
A.
What sound does A make? Whoa! What letter is that?
A.
Nope, this one right here.
A.
Yeah, that's the sound. What letter?
A.
Aidan, what letter is that?
Oh, geez.
What is it?
8.
Aidan, please sit down. What's that letter? Thank you, E. Okay. What's that letter?
B.
Yep, that one.
C. Cat.
And what sound does C make? Okay, what's that?
D. Dog.
What sound does D make?
D.
Okay, here we're gonna jump down to here. What's that one?
F.
Good job. And that is a...
H.
Nope, this one. What's that?
G.
G. And what sound does G make?
J.
No.
J.
G.
G.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna jump to here. What's that?
Monkey.
What's the letter?
The monkey.
And what sound does M?
Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah.
Oh, okay, sit down. What sound does M make?
Monkey sound.
What sound does M make?
A monkey sound.
Not monkey sound. What sound does M make, Aidan, please? Okay, what's that?
H.
Good job. Hippo, yep. What's that? Don't pull on the baby monitor. What's that?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay, we're gonna jump to here. What's that?
Lion and a tiger and a lion.
What letter?
L.
What sound does L make?
Oh, a lion.
L goes. Aidan, can you?
R.
Hey, look at. Yep, I know you're trying. What sound does L make? Oh. Okay, what's that?
Kangaroo and kangaroo.
And K goes. Good job. What's this one?
Jelly.
Jelly, and J goes.
J.
J. Okay, what's this one? N goes.
Eggs.
Yeah, eggs in a nest. N goes. And this one?
Oh, owl.
Owl. And what sound does O make?
Oh.
What's that?
P and picks.
And what sound does P make? Good job. What's that?
Q and corner.
Queen. And what sound does Q make?
A queen.
No. Q goes. Good job. Cool. High five. You remembered. It's been a while. What's that one?
I.
Nope. Look at it again. What's that?
Orange eye. Orange.
Orange T.
Orange and turtle.
And what sound does T make?
J.
Yep. And that is a...
H a rainbow.
Yeah. And what's the letter?
H. P.
It's Aidan. What letter is that? For a... That's the sound for what letter? That's a R. Yeah. You know R. What's this one? Aidan, what's this one?
F for shoe.
And what sound does S make? What's this one down here?
W.
W goes.
W and melon.
And what sound does W make?
Qua.
No.
Z.
Oh, you almost had it. What sound does W make?
Wah.
Whoa! Whoa! High five! Good job! What's that?
Okay. You and umbrella.
Umbrella. U goes.
Z.
Yep. These are newer ones that we've done. Here, what's this one?
V. Good window.
No, violin.
Violin
And what sound does V make?
V.
V. Good job. Okay, that's a.
X.
And that's a.
X. Yakio.
Yakio. What letter is that, Aidan?
Qua.
That's a Y.
Y.
Sit down. One last one. Last one. What's that?
Zebra.
And what's the letter?
Zebra.
And what sound does Z make?
Z.
Good job, Aidan! Good job, honey. All done. What are you doing now?
The flying bee garnet.
Oh, Candyland? Okay, hold on.